Jiashan PVB sliding bearing is a professional manufacturer and exporter of sliding bearing in China. We make DU bush, DX bush, bimetal bearing, bronze bearing, oils bearing, and oils wear plates. Fast delivery, stable high quality, reasonable price, and wonderful service, which makes PVB bearing earn praise and trust from our customers. We have worked with a lot of OEM, ODM, and some well-known brands as well. Innovation is the key point of company development and powerful motive force for continuous growth. PVB bearing carries out people-oriented, respect, responsibility, open mind, sharing, and pursuit of excellent policy for our team to active innovation. PVB bearing obtained ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 certificates, and always use those standard procedures to manage our daily working to achieve orders well organized and on-time delivery. PVB bearing carries out professional SOP, strictly quality control process from IQC to FQC. Meanwhile, high-efficient ERP system connects our supplier chain, production and sales very well and makes all products are easily tracked. PVB bearing always carries out customer focus, quality first, perfect customer service, which makes our customer satisfaction continuous increase. We sincerely welcome you to contact us for win-win cooperation.